Cryptkeeper. Greetings, little friends. There's something about the insect world that really bugs me. It's enough to make your skin crawl. Personally, I hate picnics. They turn me into a real basket case. Ooh, those ants tickle. Or maybe I'm just itching to tell you today's spine-tingling tale. It's about two boys on a family picnic who engage in some seemingly harmless antics, never anticipating where it might lead.
Oh, those boys!
Like always, dessert before the main course. Hey, where's Becky?
Off with their brothers learning about nature.
You know, I think that insect book we gave them has opened up a whole new world for Rick and Teddy.
Becky, give me my book. That's not the way to play Ant Wars.
Hey, Rick. Where's the bait? Becky, no.
That's not baby bait. It's for the ants.
Good. Go see Mom. Red leader advancing at 12 o'clock. Prepare to engage. Repeat, prepare to engage.
We are preparing ordnance. Confidence is high. Repeat, confidence is high. They've entered the minefield.
Priority 1. Red leader is escaping. Execute rear assault.
Roger. Look at him scramble.
Aw, nuts. Rick. Rick!
Uh-oh. Ah! 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 How'd you get here?
Same as you.
How do I get here?
Beats me.
Ah!
Ah, what? Yeah! And Rick, a giant ant, fangs and eyes, and it almost gobbled me up.
Shh.
What are they doing?
I think they're talking.
Ants don't talk.
Come on, let's get out of sight.
Where can they be taking us, Rick? Rick, how can you be reading at a time like this?
It's the insect book Dad gave us.
So?
So maybe learning something about ants will give us some idea of what they're gonna do with us.
Whoa! Look at the fangs on that guy.
They're not fangs, Teddy. They're called mandibles. And all worker ants are she's, not he's.
He's, she's, who cares?
Except that drone. He's definitely a male.
Rick, look.
Soldier ants.
Teddy!
It looks like the drone is on our side.
Yeah, well, maybe he wants to save us for himself.
Wow, ants are pretty awesome, Teddy. Did you know?
Why'd they drop us here?
This must be an ant version of a refrigerator. All right, popcorn. Here, pick out, little bro.
Yeah. If they want me stuffed, then they can stuff me themselves.
Listen, if they wanted us for lunch, they would have eaten us already.
Okay, then we're dinner.
How about us figuring a way to get out of here, Ted? Uh-oh. Wait a second. It's not alive.
Yes, it is. And it's going back out of here.
Come on, Teddy. Now's our chance. Grab on! Run for it!
Rick, I can't see.
Teddy? Whoa! Whoa!
Rick, this isn't Kansas.
Look! It's the queen ant! Awesome! It looks like a feast. Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a feast, Rick. A feast fit for a queen.
I don't think so, Teddy.
Look in the book. Queens are vegetarians, right, Rick? Right? Rick? Rick!
Try not to move.
Rick! I'm gonna jump.